Assalamualaikum viewers, my name is Zishan. Today in this video lecture we will learn all about the Kennedy's classification and applicate rules for Kennedy's classification. Viewers, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Viewers, in this video lecture we will cover all the concepts of Kennedy's classification and applicate rules. Let's start. Kennedy's classification. Definition of Kennedy's classification: a system developed by Dr. Edward Kennedy for classification of edentulous jaw conditions and partial dentures based on the distribution of edentulous species called the Kennedy's classification. Mostly used term in Kennedy's classification is abutment teeth. Abutment teeth is equal to spot of the denture. Class 1. Bilateral edentulous area located posterior to remaining natural teeth. Viewers, picture 1 you can see the bilateral edentulous area located posterior to remaining natural teeth. Class 2. Unilateral edentulous area located posterior to remaining natural teeth. Viewers, in this picture you can see the unilateral edentulous area located posterior to remaining natural teeth. Class 3. A unilateral edentulous area with natural teeth both anterior and posterior to it. Viewers, in this picture you can see the natural teeth both anterior and posterior to it. Class 4. Single but bilateral edentulous area located anterior to remaining natural teeth. Viewers, in this picture you can see the single but bilateral edentulous area that's located on the picture of the anterior side. Viewers, in this video lecture we will learn about further two more classes of Kennedy's classification, additional class 5 and 6. Kennedy's method of classifying the edentulous arch is one of the simplest and most used classification system because of the easy and which it can be discussed with others as it brings immediate visualization of the partially edentulous arches. This gives the dentist to visualize the treatment plan in advance about the design of the partial dentures. There are two more classes added to the Kennedy's classification, which are Class 5, an edentulous area bounded by teeth anteriorly and posteriorly, but where the anterior tooth is not suitable to be used an abutment. Class 6, an edentulous situation where the bounded teeth are capable of the total support of the prosthesis. Applegate's rules. Applegate was a person who gave 8 rules for Kennedy's classification. Those rules are very simple and applicable on all Kennedy's classes. Rule number 1. Classification should follow rather than precede any extraction of the teeth that might alter the original classification. Viewers, below the picture you can see the in picture 1 Kennedy class 2 and picture number 2 Kennedy's class 1. Rule number 2. If the third molar is missing and not to be replaced, it is not considered in the classification. Viewers, below the picture you can see the third molar is missing and we cannot to be replaced it. In this way, it is not considered in the classification. That picture follow the Kennedy's class 2. Unilateral edentulous area located posterior to remaining natural teeth. Rule number 3. If the third molar is present and to be used as an abutment teeth, it is considered in the classification. Viewers, below the picture you can see the third molar is present and we can use it as an abutment. Due to this, that's the rule number 3. Rule number 4. If the second molar is missing and not to be replaced, it is not considered in the classification. Viewers, below the picture you can see the red spot show the second molar is missing and we cannot replace it. Due to this, it is not considered in the classification. Rule number 5. The most posterior edentulous area always determines the classification. Viewers, below the picture you can see the most posterior edentulous area considered in the classification. That's the Kennedy's class 1. Bilateral edentulous area located posterior to remaining natural teeth. Rule number 6. Edentulous area other than those determining classification are called the modification spaces. Viewers, below the picture you can see the blue and red spots show the modification spaces and green color show the edentulous area. Rule number 7. The extent of modification is not considered, only the number of additional edentulous area. Viewers, below the picture you can see the yellow color show the extent of modification. That's the Kennedy's class 3. We can exceed the extent of modification, it doesn't matter. Rule number 8. There is no modification space in class 4. Viewers, below the picture you can see there is no modification space. That's the Kennedy's class 4. Definition of Kennedy's class 4. Single but bilateral edentulous area located anterior to remaining natural teeth. Features for the success of partial denture. Number 1. Adequate support is required for the distal extension basis. Number 2. Flexible direct retention is required. Number 3. A provision for indirect retention necessary. Viewers, if this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.